Hello everyone, welcome again. If you're watching this, I imagine you need some quick help to solve some app or website issues. So, let's start. Today, we're going to see how to remove email from Roblox account. You will need to follow several steps, so pay close attention. First, open the Roblox app. Then, tap on the three-dot menu in the lower right corner. Then scroll down until you find Settings and click on it. Next, choose the first option, Account Info, which is the top option in this case. As you can see, I already have the email entered, so we will try to remove it. To do this, we will need to change our date of birth and enter a new one as if we were under 13 years old. For example, I'm going to put that I was born in the year 2012. Hold on for a while that I need to write a verification code. Okay, now this is ready. We can go on. Accept the change, and if it asks for an ID, you can close the window. You can see now that my email was removed. And that's all, folks. I hope this tutorial has been helpful to you. See you next time. Goodbye.